guys, today's video is going to be a tag that Alexandra Beuter put on her channel just a few days ago. It's entitled Cleaning the Things That I Hate to Clean, or something along the lines of that. Making yourself do the things that you don't like to do cleaning wise in your house. I thought this was a great idea and a great trend to continue here on YouTube because there's few things in my house that I cannot stand cleaning, and I just need some more motivation and an excuse to do them, honestly, other than like I should have done these things. But I just love watching her channel, so I'll link her video down below. She does a couple things in hers, like folding laundry and stuff that she doesn't really like to do, which is definitely on my list, but I have been good recently with keeping up with my laundry. But on my list today are going to be mopping the floors, cleaning out my master bedroom closet, which is a literal disaster. It's so embarrassing that I'm even going to show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take you guys through my cleaning routine of cleaning the things I don't like to clean. And I hope you guys enjoy it and you can get some motivation to do the things in your house. I hope you guys can get some motivation to clean things in your house that you really do not. I hope you guys can get some motivation on cleaning the things in your house you don't like to clean. I think this is a good way just to help each other out and be like, hey, I don't like to do that either. Let's just go ahead and do it together. I know I keep her videos on in my background while I do cleaning a lot because I like listening to them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get to cleaning.
See me as your enemy, or see me as your friend. It is 19 months since I was there and held you in my hand. It is 18 since I told you and you took away my name. Now when you saw me, you turned away your head. You won't forgive me, and I will understand. Now and then, used to be your future, now you see me as your end. When you're hiding, we're colliding. Better be and stop pretend. I was silent, you were blind. Better leave those fears behind. If you're still bleeding, see me as a friend. You won't believe me, and I will understand. Now and then, now and then. You won't believe me, won't be an end. I know you're done, ignored and gone, but I'm around. If you see light in fighting me, you'll be your enemy. And still today, you will not pretend. You won't believe me, and I will understand. Now and then.
list is to finally tackle my master bedroom closet. It's been way too neglected for way too long. It literally never looks like this. It's actually embarrassing. But yeah, we're gonna fix this situation. I've just gotten really bad about like hanging clothes back up on the hanger. I'll put them in the closet and say, oh, I'll hang them up later. And I never do. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Please do not judge me. So bad. I mean, just a pile of clothes that we just haven't hung up, honestly, and I just kind of moved them around so you could see they were all like kind of crammed up in the corner, and it just is really bad that we're not taking care of our stuff. So we're gonna fix this. It's not gonna happen again. I'm gonna stay on it, but this is what happens when you procrastinate on doing household activities. So I'm glad I have this challenge because it's finally making me do this. My husband's gonna be so excited when he comes home from work and sees that this is done. So yeah, let's go ahead and make this closet look a lot better.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
Alright guys, so that is it for my tag of cleaning things and doing the chores around the house that I don't like to do. I feel a lot better now that I got that stuff done, and it really didn't take me that long at all. It'll be over before you know it, but you'll be glad that you did it. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.